Okay, there is a problem where you have to find the volume of a cone on the exam. And the answer is in terms of pi. So let's do a few examples from this exercise. The formula for volume of a cone, I don't know if you did this in middle school, but in middle school, or when I would do this in geometry, we would take a cylinder and a cone, and I would fill up the cone, and it takes 3 cones to fill the cylinder. So the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared. The volume for any pyramid or cylinder is the area of the base times the height. And in this case, the area of the base is a circle. Oh, it let me draw in there. Okay, so I'm going to do area of the base, which is a circle, pi r squared. If you don't know how to find the area of a circle, go to the exercise area of a circle. Pi r squared, and then times the height. So my radius is 2. So I'm going to plug in 2 right here, and I get pi times 2 squared, which is 4, times my height, which is 9. So that's going to be 4 times 9, 36 pi. And I'll give you a little hint. The one on the test is going to ask you for a fraction of this volume. So it's not going to be, you're not going to be done once you get the volume. You're going to have to do a little bit extra. Con, you're just doing the volume. Oh, and con wants us to, he does want us to multiply by 3.14. Okay, so I just multiplied 36 times 3.14. On the test, you can just write your answer in terms of pi. So like for this one, you could have just put 36 pi. Oh, whoops, what did I do wrong? Oh, I forgot about that it's a cone. I was thinking of cylinder. For a cylinder, you're going to divide that by 3. Because there are 3 cones that fit in a cylinder. So that turns out to be 37.68. And that formula will be on the wall. You just need to know how to use it. So it's not that bad. I'll do one more. So it's pi r squared times the height. And don't forget to divide by 3. Okay, so then we have 7 is the radius, and the height is also 7. So that's going to be pi times 7 squared. Height is 7 divided by 3, which is going to give me 49 times 7 is 343. So I get 343 pi divided by 3, which would be, so I did 343 divided by 3, and it's a decimal, and then I just did times 3.14. So that gave me, let's see, enter an exact answer, or, oh, it does say you can enter an exact answer. Well, in this one, it's not quite as easy. Nearest hundredth. Oh, if we're rounding to the nearest hundredth, my answer was 359 on the calculator. I probably should do this on the calculator on the computer. 0.006. So the hundredth space would be right here. So that's what I look at, and I look at the number that follows it. So this is going to go up to a 1. So 359.01. Okay, so I think you should be able to get through that exercise.